Hi guys, welcome back to the Naytech channel, and in this new video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a restore point on your Windows 11 PC. Creating a restore point on your PC is a smart way to protect your files and settings before making any big changes to your system. Changes like installing a new driver or installing an update can have some sort of impact on your system to the point that we should have a restore point. In this video, we're going to go ahead to look at how to create a restore point. Now first, head down to the search bar, and then you'd want to search for restore point, and you should see this option that says create a restore point. So once the system properties window opens, the first thing you want to do is to check if protection is turned on for your system drive. You can do that from here. You can see under system protection and protection, you can see that for a drive, system protection is actually turned on. If it is not on in your case, just go ahead and click on configure, and you should see it at disable system protection, and then you'd want to select this other option that says turn on system protection and apply, and click on OK. So that way your disk should be turned on for protection. Now the next thing from here is to hit on the create button so that we can create a restore point. Just go ahead and click on create, and from here you'd want to use something that helps you to remember what this restore point is all about. All right, so just go ahead and give that the name, and once I've done that, click on create. All right, so the restore point is being created, and you can see the restore point was created successfully. So if you ever need to go back to the restore point, all you need to do is just to return to this window and click on system restore, and then follow the prompts. You'll see your set point listed in there. So that's it. Pretty simple. It's a handy and safety net for every Windows user to have, especially when you're making changes to your system. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.